Everybody knows time is money, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes of my time so you can make money. So what is the missing person clause, and how can we use the missing person clause to increase our sales rate when somebody is not there? Whether it's the wife, whether it's the husband, whether it's the lawyer, whatever your client says, you can use the missing person clause. So let's say you finish your presentation, they like the product, they can use the product, they understand the product, and they can afford it. And you ask them to buy, and they say something like, I have to ask my wife. Now, their wife is not there. All you have to do is say, John, so obviously if his name is John, if his name is Mike, then don't call him John. But you say something like, John, I understand. How about I fill the paperwork as we agreed, and I'll add subject to your wife's approval only at the end. And the reason you do this is because essentially, it's an objection, it's an excuse, and it's not their wife's objection, it's their objection, because their wife isn't even there, right? So what you do is you find out if they're serious, A, and B, when they go home and present it to their wife, they'll have the agreement with all the conditions, and make sure you put some beneficial conditions in there, right? And they'll remember the product they bought, because a lot of times people don't, remember what they bought. If you do it in timeshare, for example, there's a lot of things they don't remember. But if it's written down, it's a reminder and it's a commitment as well. Plus, the wife will feel good, subject to her approval only, and it will raise your sales. Now, if you want more advanced methods to close deals, to increase your sales, go ahead and check out this playlist right here. I'll leave the link down in the description below as well. And also, if you want 5 closes backed by science, proven by science, then also click this link right here, and I'll leave that in the description below as well. Thank you, and until next time, keep succeeding.